Hi guys, good day and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are fine, hope you all are okay. Please guys, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to click on the subscribe button down below. It's free. Please subscribe. So guys, today I'll be doing a simple hair tutorial. Like, it takes 2 to 3 minutes to be done with. Very easy to achieve. Guys, just watch the video. I'm sure you will like it, you enjoy it easy. Right now I'm just showing the materials I use for this hairstyle. So guys, I made use of Kinky hair from Darling Superstar products. I also made use of my bobby pin, then my hair gel. You can use Eco Stylers gel or any other gel of your choice, and that's just what I used. It's very easy to achieve, so just stay tuned, keep watching. I know the video is over 7 minutes long, but it's because it's a tutorial. But if you're making it yourself, it does not take more than at most 5 minutes. You are done with it. It's super easy to make. Just watch the video to the end, and if you like it, please give it a huge thumbs up, comment, share with your friends. Please guys, share the video. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys. So guys, please don't judge me. I know I have bad hair, yes, and this is what I was thinking. I was like, no, this hair is too bad. And then an idea came to me, so I made use of my hair wax. As you can see in the video, I also made use of my mascara. So I just took a little of my hair wax, I mixed it with my gel, and then I took out my mascara and just used it to mix it, just to get that black effect. So after mixing it, I just used it to like brush up my front hair, just to like create that fake front hair. I know I don't have much, but what to do, fake it till you make it. So I just used the hair wax and mascara mixture that I made to just add a little hair to my front hair. And then even if it's just a little, I think there's a difference compared to the way it was before. I noticed that at least it was looking as if I had a little hair at the front, and that's basically it. You can use, if you want it more, you can use more of it, and then you get that effect. That's a trick that you should know, guys. So guys, that's it. I'm sure you must have seen that it's very easy to achieve this particular style. Very easy, and it takes a very short time. You can just make it if you have somewhere to go to and you just need to make your hair. It does not take time, and you can always take it down whenever you come back. It's that easy.